Good evening everyone. Today plus 2 volume 2 unit 8 ionic equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium. First introduction. Already we have learned in 11th standard chemical equilibrium. Already we have learned in 11th standard chemical equilibrium. Today we are discuss about ionic equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium. Especially ionic equilibrium, carbonic acid and a bicarbonate ion. Carbonic acid and a bicarbonate ion is known as buffer solution in our blood. Hydronium ion plus bicarbonate ion. Hydronium ion plus bicarbonate ion to give reverse. In a hydronium ion to splitter, like H plus and H2O. H plus and H2O. In this H plus to approach HCO3 minus the product H2CO3 plus H2O water plus H2O. So carbonic acid bicarbonate in this solution buffer solution. Buffer solution example in our blood. Okay. Next, what are the role of acid and base? What are the role of acid and base in our daily life? What are the role of acid and base in our daily life? Example, lemon. Lemon contains citric acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Tea contains tartaric acid. Tea contains tartaric acid. Next, acidic acid, CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Acidic acid contains vinegar. Okay. Next, base. Next one, base. It's a base, especially OH minus. Base, especially OH minus. Acid, that is H plus. Acid, H plus kuda. Suppose antacid. Example, next antacid. Against to acid. Against to acid. Especially medicine tablet. Example, aluminium hydroxide. AlOH thrice. Aluminium hydroxide. Next, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. This is against to acid. Okay. Next, base. Sodium hydroxide. Preparation of soap. Preparation of soap. Sodium hydroxide base. So, acid base. So, many uses in our daily life. Acid and base. Acid H plus, base OH minus. Okay, introduction. Next we are discuss about acids and bases. Acids and bases. Acid and bases. So acid and bases. Let us consider first one, acid. Acid. There are two types of an acid, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid completely dissociate. Weak acid partially dissociate. Weak acid partially dissociate. In especially litmus paper, blue litmus become changed to red. Given solution acid. Given solution acid. Blue litmus paper become changed to red given solution acid. Okay. Next, acid react with metal to produce hydrogen gas. Acid react with metal to produce hydrogen gas. Example, zinc. Zinc combines with sulfuric acid to give zinc sulfate plus H2 gases. Zinc sulfate plus H2 gases. Okay. Next, base. Base. Base contain litmus paper. Red litmus become changed to blue color. Red litmus become changed to blue color. Given solution become base. Given solution become a base. Okay. Acid plus base to gives salt plus water. Neutral. Acid plus base to give salt plus water. So acid plus base to gives salt plus water. Salt plus water. Okay. Example. Let us consider HCl. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid combines with NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Here acid H plus Cl minus. Here base Na plus OH minus. So H plus to approach OH minus to give H2O, water. Na plus to approach Cl minus, NaCl, sodium chloride, salt. This is a major acid and bases. Next one, generally acid the pH less than 7. Acid the pH less than 7. Base the pH potential of hydrogen greater than to 7. Greater than to 7. So acid, blue litmus become changed to red given solution acid. The potential of hydrogen for pH less than 7. First number 1. Second one, metal. Metal react with acid to produce H2 gas. To produce H2 gas. Next one, base. Base in a litmus paper test, red litmus become changed to blue color. Red litmus become changed to blue color given solution base. Given solution base. The potential of hydrogen pH greater than to 7. Potential of hydrogen pH greater than to 7. Next, acid plus base to give salt plus water. The salt pH exact 7. The salt pH that is exact 7. Okay. Next one, Arrhenius theory. Theory of Arrhenius. Very important one. Next one, we are discuss about Arrhenius theory. The Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept. In this Arrhenius theory, any one unknown substance dissociate H plus ion, that is hydrogen ion, in water. Such unknown substance is known as acid. Such unknown substance is known as acid in this concept. Example, HCl to give reverse in the presence of water, aqueous, H plus and Cl minus. H plus and Cl minus. In acid, dissociate to produce H plus ion, hydrogen ions in water. Such solution is known as acid. Such solution is known as acid. Suppose sulfuric acid, H2SO4, to give reverse water, 2H plus SO4 2 minus. 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. So hydrogen ion. So H plus, such unknown solution is known as acid. That is H plus, H3O plus, hydronium ion, more or less same. H plus and hydronium ion, more or less same. Okay. Next, take calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide to give reverse in the presence of water, aqueous, to give calcium 2 plus and 2 OH minus. Suppose solution become base. Solution become base. When dissociate to give hydroxide ion. When you dissociate to give hydroxide ion in water, such solution is known as base. Basic solution. Such solution is known as basic solution. Okay. Suppose another one example. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. NaOH to gives Na plus and OH minus in the presence of water. In the presence of water. This is hydroxide ion. This hydroxide ion. Such solution is known as, that is basic solution, that is base. So finally we are conclude. How will you classify acid and base? How will you classify acid and base? Suppose unknown solution to produce hydrogen ion in water, such unknown solution is known as acid, according to Arrhenius concept. Suppose basic solution. Suppose a basic solution, when a solution to give hydroxide ion in water. Hydroxide ion in water, such unknown solution is known as, that is a basic character. This is Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept. Next, what are the limitation? What are the limitation? What are the limitation of Arrhenius? Limitation of Arrhenius. Limitation of Arrhenius theory. First, number one. In this Arrhenius concept, that is Arrhenius theory, does not explain the H plus ion, especially non-aqueous solution, acetone, CH3CO6H3, acetone. Second one, THF, tetrahydrofuran. First, number one. Second one, in this theory, it can be explained OH minus, hydroxide ion and H plus ion. Suppose we will take the ammonia, NH3. Ammonia is a basic character, but does not contain hydroxide ion. So Arrhenius theory is a failure. There are two limitations. Does not explain aqueous, that is non-aqueous, CH3CO6H3 acetone and tetrahydrofuran. Second one, hydroxide ion. Do not produce hydroxide ion, especially ammonia. So there are two limitations of Arrhenius theory. Next one, Lowry-Bronsted theory, that is proton theory. Lowry and Bronsted, two scientists, in 1923, there are two categories of solution. Especially based on proton. Suppose proton donor, such solution is known as acid. In case, suppose proton acceptor, such solution is known as base. Example, HCl. HCl is reactive with water. It gives reverse. HCl to splitter H plus and Cl minus. Water, one of the lone pair of electron, acceptor to gives H3O plus, hydronium ion plus Cl minus. Here HCl proton donor. So here HCl become act as a acid. Next here water. proton acceptor. Proton acceptor. So here water, the role of water become act as a base. First number one. Second one, take ammonia. NH3. Ammonia. Ammonia react with water. Ammonia react with water to give reverse. Water to splitter like H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. In this H plus ammonia, lone pair. The product NH4 plus OH minus. NH4 plus OH minus. Here water H2O. Here water H2O. H plus donor. So H plus donor, the role of water become act as a acid. Acid. Ammonia H plus acceptor. Proton acceptor. So ammonia become act as a base. Ammonia become act as a base. Suppose the reaction is reverse process. Reverse process. Reversible process. Let us consider HCl plus H2O to give reverse H3O plus and Cl minus. Cl minus. This is acid 1. Acid. Here base. Base 2. H3O plus acid 2 Cl minus base 1. Cl minus base 1. So HCl react with water to give H3O plus Cl minus. Cl minus. Okay. Next acid 1 plus base 2 to give reverse acid 2 plus base 1. Acid 2 plus base 1. Okay. To compare acid 1 and base 1. To compare acid 1 and base 1. HCl, Cl minus. HCl and Cl minus. Next water. H2O, H3O plus. HCl and Cl minus. To compare HCl and Cl minus. HCl proton donor. H2O proton acceptor. Next acid 2 proton donor. Cl minus proton acceptor. Proton acceptor. So compare HCl and Cl minus. To compare HCl and Cl minus. So HCl plus H2O to give reverse H3O plus Cl minus. This is for the proton donor H plus. This is proton acceptor. Next proton donor, proton acceptor. This is acid 1 base 2, acid 2 base 1. To compare acid 1 and base 1. To compare acid 1 and base 1. In this pair is known as conjugated acid base pair. Conjugated acid base pair like HCl and Cl minus. HCl and Cl minus. Next one, to compare H2O, water and H3O plus. H3O plus. H2O, water and H3O plus. This is known as conjugated acid and pair. Conjugated acid and pair. Okay. To compare HCl and Cl minus. Cl minus conjugated base into the acid. Cl minus conjugate base. Cl minus is a conjugate base from HCl acid. Okay. Next H3O plus. This is conjugate acid. Hydronium ion conjugate acid from base. This is known as the Lowry-Bronsted theory, proton theory. Lowry-Bronsted theory, proton theory. Suppose kuda acid conjugate base. Acid conjugate base. In this acid become changed to conjugate base kuda. Base become changed to conjugate acid kuda. Conjugate acid. H plus donor substance become kuda acid. H plus acceptor. H plus acceptor when a substance become a base kuda. So depending upon the proton. Suppose a solution proton donor, such solution is known as acid. Suppose a proton acceptor, such solution is known as base. In this theory is known as proton theory or Lowry and Bronsted theory in 1923. Okay. What are the limitation? What are the limitation of theory? In this theory, limitation of theory. Example, AlCl3, BF3. AlCl3 and BF3 do not accept the protons. Next one, Lewis concept. In 1923, Gilbert N. Lewis. To introduce Lewis acid and Lewis base. Lewis acid electron acceptor positive charge. Electron acceptor or positive charge, that is Lewis acid. Lewis base, electron donor, that is a lone pair of electron. Electron donor is a lone pair of electron, is a negative charge. Bro. So let me discuss about one by one Lewis acid. Lewis acid example, BF3, boron trifluoride, AlCl3, etc. AlCl3. Lewis base example, Cl minus, NH3, lone pair of electron, excess of electron, that is lone pair of electron. So one Lewis acid, one Lewis base to produce a new covalent bond. So new covalent bond. Example, BF3 and NH3. BF3. Boron trifluoride plus NH3 ammonia. This is one of the lone pair of electron. Boron atomic number 5. The electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2 empty p orbital, only one electron. This is a 2 electron empty, 2 empty vacant orbital. So 2 empty vacant orbital to attack one of the lone pair of electron, that is a 2 electron, to produce a new coordinate covalent bond. This is coordinate covalent bond, new nitrogen, hydrogen. This is a new bond. Already you know coordination chemistry. Ligon and central metal atom. Ligon and central metal atom. So ligon, electron donor to the central metal atom. Central metal atom, ligon. Next is central metal atom. Central metal atom. So central metal atom, electron acceptor. So electron acceptor become act as a Lewis acid. All central metal atom become act as a Lewis acid. Example, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. Ligon, electron donor. So electron donor become act as a Lewis base. So finally we are conclude Lewis concept. So Lewis concept, Lewis acid, positive charge, electron deficiency, electron acceptor. Positive charge, electron deficiency, electron acceptor become act as a Lewis acid. Lewis base, negatively charged. So negative charge, electron rich, lone pair of electron, excess of electron, lone pair of electron, that is Cn minus NH3. So one Lewis acid, one Lewis base to produce new coordinate covalent bond. In our coordination chemistry, ligon and central metal atom. Generally, ligon means electron donor. So electron donor to the central metal atom, the role of ligon become act as a Lewis base because of electron donor. Next one, central metal atom. Central metal atom, electron acceptor. So electron acceptor, so central metal atom, Lewis acid. Next, difference between Lewis acid and Lewis base. Lewis acid and Lewis base. First point number 1. In this Lewis acid, electron deficiency. Electron deficient species. Example, BF3, AlCl3, etc. Lewis acid. So Lewis acid, electron deficient species. Example, BF3, AlCl3. Next is Lewis base. More lone pair of electron. More lone pair of electron. Example, water. One of the lone pair. Ammonia. So one of the lone pair. First one, electron deficiency, more lone pair of electron. First point number 1. Second point number 2, all metal ions. All metal ions become act as a Lewis acid. Example, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, Cu plus. Lewis base, all anions. Example, F minus, Cn minus, Cl minus, etc. All anion. Anion means negative charge, electron donor. Anion means negative charge, electron donor. Become act as a Lewis base. Second one. Third one, a molecule contains polar double bond. Example, SO2, sulfur dioxide. CO2, carbon dioxide. SO2, sulfur dioxide, CO2. CO2, the structure become carbon, double bond O, double bond O. SO2, sulfur dioxide, sulfur, double bond O, double bond O. Okay, Lewis base. Lewis base contains carbon-carbon multiple bond. Carbon-carbon multiple bond. Example, CH2 double bond CH2, HC triple bond CH. Carbon-carbon multiple bond. Third point. Fourth one kuda. Octane. Octane. Octane empty d orbital vacant. Octane in a coordination compound, the central metal atom to octane empty vacant d orbital. Example, Si Si octane empty d orbitals. Next, Lewis base or metal oxide. Or metal oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, etc. All metal oxide, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. Fifth one, Lewis acid, carbonium ion, CH3 thrice C plus, carbonium ion. Lewis base, carbanion, negative charge. Carbanion, negative charge. CH3 minus. There are 5 difference between Lewis acid and Lewis base. Once again, first number 1, Lewis acid, electron deficiency. Example, BF3 AlCl3. Second one, the same. Lewis base, just inversely proportional. More number of lone pair of electron. Water and ammonia. Second point number 2, all metal ion become act as a Lewis acid. Electron acceptor, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, Cu plus. Lewis base, all anions, negative charge, all anions, F minus, Cn minus, Cl minus. Third one, polar double bonds are present. Lewis acid, polar double bond, Lewis acid. Lewis base, carbon-carbon multi-bond, double bond, triple bond, carbon-carbon multi-bonded. Next one, coordination compound in octane. Central metal ion to attain octane, empty d vacant orbital. Example, SiF4. Lewis base, all metal oxide become act as a Lewis base. Calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, etc. Zinc oxide, etc. Last one, carbonium ions. So positive charge. Next, Lewis base, carbanions, negative charge. Finally, we are conclude difference between acid and base, especially Lewis acid and Lewis base inversely proportional. Lewis acid electron acceptor, Lewis base electron donor. Okay, thank you.